is Nicole, and I'm here at the Falls and Woods of Hoover. I'm actually standing outside of one of our Briarwood apartment homes. It's newly renovated, and I can't wait to take you inside to look. Alright, as soon as we walk in, we can see the huge living room area, and you'll notice the newly upgraded woodlock flooring. And in our apartment homes, you do have the option of having a beautiful fireplace in the living room. And then you have easy access into our open kitchen, which has also been newly upgraded with new appliances and brand new countertops. All right, so we're going to take a look into our master bedroom. As you walk in, you'll notice that you have a decent sized space where you can fit at least a queen size bed and 2 to 3 dressers depending on how you want to set it up. All of our bedrooms come with natural lighting from the windows and overhead lighting with the ceiling fan. Okay. And from your master bedroom, you actually have direct access into your master bathroom with your resort style garden tub. And also you have a huge master bedroom walk-in closet. All right, we're going to come back into the living room. And walk into our guest bathroom, which you have access to from the common area. And this also includes your laundry room with enough space for full-size washer and dryer units with overhead lighting in there as well. All right, so we're going to come back out and look into our guest bedroom. And even in your guest room, you still have a decent sized space and enough storage in your closet, and you can even fit a dresser in there if you'd like. All right, we're going to re-enter the living room. And one of my favorite parts about our Briarwood floor plan is our beautiful sliding patio door with a privacy screen. You have a very spacious private patio to yourself that also has outside storage. Thank you so much for touring with us. If you'd like to apply, you can go to rentthefallsandwoods.com, or you can contact the office at 205-985-4407.